The US stocks versus Nigerian stocks, simple risk and reward. If your money speaks only one language, Naira or dollar, you're already taking sides. Let's compare US stocks versus Nigerian stocks so you can invest with eyes open. One friend buys US index funds monthly. Another loads up on Nigerian bank stocks for dividends. Who's right? Depends on risk, reward, and your goals. What are you really buying? You're buying the world's biggest brands. Tech, healthcare, consumer, deep liquidity, strong governance, wide diversification in the US stocks. You're backing Nigeria homegrown champions, banks, telecoms, cement. Closer to the economy you live in, often higher dividends and chances for outsized gains when policy winds blow your way. 4 things that move your results. Currency risk. If you earn in Naira and invest in US stocks, dollar strength can protect your wealth. If Naira strengthens, your dollar returns may feel smaller locally. Nigeria stocks volatility can swing hard on policy, liquidity, and election cycles. The US large caps swing less but still swing. US index funds spread across sectors. Nigeria market is concentrated. Few big names drive the index. US markets equals deep liquidity and stable rules. Nigeria market is improving, but thinner trading and policy surprises can happen. Reward. Where can returns come from? US stocks can provide long-term compounding from global growth, plus buybacks, plus dividends, slower but steadier. Nigeria stocks has the potential for higher dividend yields and upside when reforms unlock value, but returns can be eaten by inflation and FX devaluation if you're measuring in dollars. Let's look at a simple portfolio framework. Think 3 buckets: dollar growth, US index ETFs, global compounder, forex hedge, Naira growth, Nigeria equities funds, dividends plus local upside, safety market, T-bills, FX cash, sleep well money, automate monthly, rebalance once or twice a year. Earn in Naira. Put 60% of every 100 Naira for investment to dollar growth, 25% in Naira growth stocks, and 15% in T-bills FX cash. If you'll spend locally soon, tilt more to Nigeria. But if you plan to pay school fees abroad, then tilt more to US dollars. Use reputable investment apps or brokers, find low-fee funds, and have a written rule. Buy monthly, don't chase headlines. The best portfolio isn't US or Nigeria. It's the one you can hold through storms. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more money moves from Moloney Street Re.